Hi guys, okay, so I wanted to come on and let you know that I did get married September 16th, 2016. So I've been married for a few months now, and I am able to fully upload all the videos that we shot there, as well as the wedding photos and everything like that. So I was supposed to have like this traditional wedding here in Texas, and it turned out to start to be a little bit stressful. And like, my mom wanted to do all this stuff, my sisters wanted to do all this stuff, and I'm a very low maintenance type of person. Like, I do not like to do much. I like very simple, straightforward things, whereas my sisters and my mother, they had other ideas in mind, and they wanted to almost like live through me in the wedding. I don't know, it just was too much going on. Like, they wanted to have like a junior bride, a junior groom. They wanted to have all my family members in the wedding, and I just wanted to like have this small, simple 40 people or less wedding, and it started to get really stressful. And so I do believe it was August, and August hit, and I was actually going to Hawaii for my CPCU conferment. As you guys know, I'm in the insurance world, and have been focusing on getting my insurance designations. And so once I achieved that insurance designation, I got to go to Honolulu, Hawaii. And so it was like this epiphany. I was like, why am I stressing out on planning a wedding when I really don't want a wedding? I just want to get married. And so I went ahead and said, babe, let's get married in Hawaii. And he was already on board because he's just like me, very simple, straightforward type of guy. And so I had to break the news to my family. They were very upset because, again, they wanted this big lavish wedding. All the family members come. I have a very large family, so this was like a big celebration. And I'm actually one of the few in my family that is married. And so this was going to be this big event. Anyways, so from there, after we had this epiphany, we went online and literally we Googled the place, and we just said weddings in Hawaii, and that's literally what we Googled. And I wanted like this package deal. I did not want to have to do anything because, again, simple, low maintenance. So there was this company called Weddings in Hawaii, where they have these package deals online. They have very good Google reviews, so I was like, I think this is the place. I contacted them. They had very good help. I felt very comfortable to go ahead and plan the wedding there. And their people was very responsive to my emails, they had instant chat, phone calls. Even though there was a dramatic time difference between Texas and Hawaii, they were so accommodating that it was just it was the best experience that I've ever had with a company. And so from there, we actually went to Kohl's. We got him a white shirt and gray slacks. I had already had my wedding dress back in February, and because, again, I was planning this big lavish wedding, and so I already had my wedding dress. There was no issues there. And so pretty much we had everything that we needed. I had the veil, the dress, he had his shirt and pants. We didn't want to do a whole tux thing in Hawaii. In September, it's still hot out there in the September month. And so my company flew us out there for the conferment, and I got to bank on a free trip to Hawaii, and then just paid out of pocket, obviously, for my wedding. My company's not paying for my wedding. And so I saved so much money on my wedding, and I enjoyed it so much more. It was such a special moment for me. We had a minister who, it was her company. She had built it up from a baby. All the people in the company were family members and or like friends of their family members. So it was a very tight-knit feel. And so it was very warming and welcoming. And then from there, she officiated the wedding there live. Again, she was wonderful. And then again, the package deal came with a photographer, and the photographer was amazing. She was so sweet. She took her time. We took so many photos. By the end of it, I was so exhausted, and it was so affordable. I couldn't believe it. And so again, I did have to deal with my family being kind of disappointed that I had the wedding without them. They were supposed to plan something for me, so that's still in the works. It's still like months later. It's now December. My wedding was in September. They still haven't done anything yet. They keep telling me they're doing something, but it hasn't happened yet. So either way, I'm very happy with my decision to get married in Hawaii. It was a beautiful, beautiful wedding, and it was something that I literally have no regrets about. It is something that I will remember forever. The sand ceremonies, the leis, the beautiful scenery, the photos, the beach, everything was amazing. So I'm showing you all the photos of my wedding so you guys can enjoy. If you have any questions about the wedding, just let me know. I will be doing a separate segment on the wedding dress itself because I've had a lot of questions from people on my Facebook and on YouTube about the dress itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a video all by itself for the dress, and then I will come back and answer any comments or questions that you guys have. Thank you so much for following me along in my life journey and my hair journey. Again, any questions, just leave them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Okay, so the tradition is related to the reason why you eat cake on your wedding day is because the first taste that you should have after you get married is for something sweet. You
have to film it.
Go. Here. Oh my god, out of control. Okay. Well. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm good. I love you.
Love you.
Happy wedding day. Happy marriage day.
Congratulations.
You put icing in my hair. That's not acceptable. But I still love you. Happy wedding day.